Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of efficient cleaning with the electric spin scrubber, a revolutionary cordless shower scrubber that comes with 9 replacement heads, a water scraper, and a mop holder, all designed to make your cleaning routine faster and easier. This powerful tool features 3 adjustable speeds: high at 430 RPM, medium at 394 RPM, and low at 360 RPM. Allowing you to tackle even the toughest stains while saving you time and effort. Especially beneficial for the elderly or those with back issues. Equipped with a digital display screen, you can easily monitor the remaining power and adjust the speed as needed, ensuring up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning after just a 3 to 4 hour charge. The scrubber's 9 replaceable brush heads are perfect for cleaning everything from your bathroom and kitchen to your car wheels and windows, while the added mop holder and water scraper help keep your home tidy and organized. With an adjustable extension rod that extends from 40.74 inches to 48.62 inches, you can effortlessly reach those hard-to-clean areas without bending or kneeling, making it a game-changer in household cleaning tools. Featuring a 2,500 mAh battery with fast charging and built-in leakage protection, this scrubber is both safe and convenient, complete with a Type-C charging port for easy recharging. Whether you're looking to make housework more enjoyable or searching for the perfect gift for family and friends, the electric spin scrubber is the ideal solution for transforming your cleaning experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.